396 days ago is the last time Wichita County held a criminal jury trial, creating quite a backlog of cases.
Many of those cases are child abuse, child sexual abuse, and murder. And while victims and families wait even longer for these trials to begin, the Wichita County District Attorney's Office wants to reach more victims than ever before.
Yeah, Zach Verdia spoke with District Attorney John Gillespie and the new Victim Assistance Coordinator, who's settling into her job nicely in the midst of these unprecedented backlogs.
More than a year later, and Wichita County criminal cases are piling up since the last jury trial on March 16, 2020.
You can imagine the number of child abuse cases, child sexual abuse cases, and murder cases that have been on hold.
Holding up cases and closure for victims and their families. But that's where the DA's office hopes the Victim Assistance Coordinator can continue helping during the pandemic.
It really feels as coming home, I really feel like this is my calling.
Sometimes with these child abuse and child sexual abuse cases, victims will have to testify with the accuser in the courtroom. Ebony Daniels is here to ease that process.
I'm there to support them. I'm there to kind of help ease their way, to be that person, that friendly face, someone that just can hold their hand, and just someone that is there to say, hey, everything's going to be okay, and you have this person here with you to help you through this hard time.
Daniels has stayed in contact with families throughout lockdowns and backlogs, assisting in any way she can. From talking to arranging therapy and counseling sessions, she'll continue at this pace until criminal jury trials are back and the floodgates are opened.
Definitely getting through trials, because we're going to have a lot.
A whole lot of work to do, but District Attorney John Gillespie says when they come out on the other side, Daniel's impact will make a discernible difference in getting a hold of the backlog.
I know as we come out of COVID, having her bright shining face and connecting these victims with the services and the help that they need will help us move through this COVID backlog and make a real difference in victims' lives.
Not just helping speed up the process for the District Attorney's office, but adding another indispensable tool for victims.
So much of the criminal justice system is focused on protecting the rights of defendants. I am so glad that there is part of the criminal justice system that is focused on the needs of victims, and especially the most vulnerable victims, children of child abuse and child sexual abuse.
Guiding the most vulnerable at a time when they need it most.
That was Zach Verdia reporting. Daniel served as a victim assistance coordinator in Washington State before moving to Oklahoma, where she worked at a child advocacy center.